We're going to walk through how to work with Photoshop templates using Canva. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using the free desktop version of Canva, and I'm currently on the home screen. The first thing we're going to do is upload the Photoshop template and any files or photos you want to use for your project. From the home screen, the upload button can be found here on the upper right-hand corner. Click on that. Go to Choose Files and navigate to where your photos are. And Template. I'm going to choose this graduation card template and this photo. Next, we're going to set up our workspace by going up to the right-hand corner, click on Create a Design, and go down to Custom Size to set up our canvas. It's a graduation announcement card. It's 5x7, which I have here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Create a New Design. Here's our working canvas. Now to go access the Photoshop template that you just uploaded, go over here to Projects, and then you'll find all the design assets here that you've uploaded. Here is the graduation card template. I'm just going to click on this and move it right in to the canvas. And as you'll see here, all of the elements are in its own layer, just like if you were to open it up in a Photoshop template. Here is the clipping mask where you'll add the photo. This is the graduate element. And this is our live text area. Now to add a photo, all you need to do is click on the clipping mask, go over to your photo, and drop it in. If you want to move the photo, just double click on it and move it into place. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the color of an element. You'll do that by clicking on the element and go to Edit Photo, and then go down to Effects and choose Duotone. So if you see the color that you want in any of these options, go ahead and click on that. I don't, so I'm just going to click on any of these colors here and then go to this, open up this color box so I can choose a custom color. I'm going for a gold mustardy tone, so I'm going to slide it over to the yellowy area and just play around with it until I get to the color that I want. This looks good. Now I also know that I'm going to use this same color for my live text layer. So what I'm going to do here is grab this hex code and copy it. It's Command C or Control C. Now I'm going to go to the live text layer and change the color of that by selecting all, going up to the text color box, and then to this plus sign to add a new color. Click on this and then paste, which is Command V or Control V. And now your live text layer is the same color as the element. Then you can go in here now and further customize it by selecting a custom font from any of these options. I think I'll just go with Georgia Pro. And then you can customize it. You can also change the font size by clicking here, going up or down. And that's basically it. I hope you found this helpful.